What is up, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. I'm lying in my king size bed and I'm so happy. I got great news, at least for myself. This is my first Airbnb apartment here in Rio and it's finally ready after 1 year of renovations. That was the master bedroom, but we also have 3 more bedrooms. We can fit up to 8 people. This is a 100 square meter apartment and we are located in Leblon, which in my opinion is the best neighborhood here in Rio. The beach is right there, just 2 blocks away. And to the other side, we got this huge window with a view to Leblon shopping mall and Christ the Redeemer statue. We have restaurants, bars, markets, everything you need. Guys, welcome to my brand new apartment. You can find it on Airbnb. Welcome to IKONIKA 1. This apartment has been really planned and thought for travelers, and I've been traveling a lot. Some of you guys might know I've been around the world like twice in the last 5 or 6 years. I've traveled to more than 50 countries, and one thing I look for in every country I go to is to stay in a comfortable place. Of course, sometimes it's really expensive, but you guys are going to see it's not that expensive here in Rio. The tour had to start in the living room, which is right in the entrance of the apartment, and this whole place has been thought to be really clean, comfortable, and with a boutique touch. So it has this really cool and vibey and comfortable sofa, more space for you to sit here, 5 more benches here with this wooden board, really beautiful wooden board made of a Brazilian wood called muracatiara, and we have this open kitchen which makes everything more spacious. You and your friends can hang here. Some of you might be there cooking something, the others sitting here just talking. You can be in the sofa watching some TV or Netflix. By the way, we have really high-speed internet. It's all been thought to be really clean, so you're not gonna find many colors in this apartment. As you see, the walls are all white. Besides the white, we just have the wood color and a little bit of black in the bathrooms and in the kitchen. In this living room, we also have this frame, which by the way is a picture I took like 2 years ago here in Rio of the Botafogo Bay and Christ the Redeemer statue. If you want to help me travel more, you can head to my website and maybe buy one of my frames. We ship all over the world. It's HitTheRoadFred.com. The link is going to be in the description. We have many lighting options. This globe is one of those options. Just to make it like a travel theme apartment, we have those pillows here in the living room. We have some nature inside as well, some plants just to bring the tropical vibe and nature inside the apartment. There's another plant here. Here we have a 75-inch television. Come on, 75-inch television. This is so good. And on the other side, we have this cinema-sized screen with a view to Rio de Janeiro. Come on, how beautiful is that? We have an AC in the living room. By the way, we have AC in all the 4 bedrooms. It's Rio, even though it's winter, it's like 30 degrees Celsius outside. It's really hot. And what about those benches? Come on, they look so good. If you see, they have this Z kind of foot. I found them, they were so cheap and they just look so good. They match perfectly this wooden board and the rest of the decoration of this house. I really like it. The kitchen is a part of this apartment that makes me really happy and glad about it and proud of myself, I would say, because I'm not an architect, but I planned everything here and I really like the result. Like starting from the concept of this island with the wood and then the São Gabriel stone. This sink made of the same São Gabriel stone but in a little different tone, a little more black, we can say. Here we have this cooktop, really good electric cooktop by induction. Right below we have this electric oven. Here we have this pretty good washing and drying machine. We have the Nespresso machine, I love coffee. We got the latte machine, guess you guys are gonna like it too. Oops, okay. Here we have one more sink, maybe this one is for you to wash small clothes, something like this. And one thing I love about this kitchen is this farm door. I mean, who has a farm door in the kitchen in the middle of a city, a gigantic city like this? I love how it looks. It's made of a wood called cipreste, which is like a pine tree, and there's something really special right behind that door. I'm gonna show you later. Here I forgot to mention about this water filter, which is really important here in Rio, because the water here is provided by a public company, which honestly is shit, and the water sometimes tastes like shit here in Rio. So you need to have a water filter, and this is a pretty special one because it has natural water, cold water, even colder water, hot water, sparkling water, and capsules. I don't know how to say this exactly, but if I press here, it opens. I can put a hot chocolate capsule here, I can put alcoholic drinks here, and you can have like a gin tonic made by this water filter. Ain't that awesome? Come on. Here we have this fridge, which you can see it's not that well organized, but it's gonna be, I promise. Here we have this microwave, and right below we have another Italian coffee machine. We have a toaster, and here you can do your vitamins or juices, whatever you want. Here in the cabinets, look at what we have. Whoa! One of the things I wanted to make sure that looked really good in this apartment were cutlery, glasses, and dishes. Look at how beautiful this is. They match perfectly. They also match with this São Gabriel stone here. I really like it. Guess you guys are going to be treated to the best here when you stay in IKONIKA 1. And here we have this golden faucet that matches perfectly the black and the rest of this kitchen and this living room. I really like the result of this place. Tell me in the comments if you like it too, because as I said before, I am really proud of it. Going on with the tour of the apartment, we head to this long hall that leads to the bedrooms, and this is bedroom number 3. Let's take a look at it. Here we have a queen size bed, really comfortable one. We have this beautiful wardrobe that was here in the apartment before we bought it. It stayed here and we renovated it. Now it's really beautiful and useful. On the walls we have another frame of mine. This one I took in Nusa Penida near Bali in Indonesia. We got these ropes with those big lamps in all the bedrooms, and we also have, whoops, this 50-inch television and of course air conditioning. We also have those hangers in the doors of all the bedrooms for you to hang your clothes or your towels, whatever you want. And okay, I guess that's pretty much it for this bedroom. Okay, we get back to the hall, and this time we get in the bathroom. Well, we are in the bathroom right now, and I really love the result of this bathroom. This is what I wanted since the beginning of the renovations. You have to see how this bathroom looked. It was horrible. I like all the lights we have inside this bathroom. Also the shower is really comfortable. You have water coming from both ways, as you can see, from there and from there. One of the things I like about this bathroom is this huge mirror that takes over the wall. This beautiful white sink, this is made of an artificial stone. And right below we have this wooden shelf to keep some of the toiletries. And here in the bathroom you can have shower. Peter, look to the Christ the Redeemer statue. Come on. This is pretty nice. Of course, when you have a shower here, you can open to take a look, but I would suggest you just to close the window so nobody sees you inside. When we're talking about bathrooms, this is really important. And we have only really comfortable towels. Of course, we have this boutique touch of douche gel and shampoo. Alright, that's it for the bathroom, and right beside it there's this small temple in the wood. It used to be here before we bought this apartment, and I had this small Buddha statue I bought in Bali a few years ago, so I put it here. I guess it looks pretty nice. I'm happy about it. Okay, moving on, we have bedroom number 2, and this bedroom has 2 single beds. We also kept the decor really clean. We just have one of my frames here. This is a picture I took in Cappadocia back in 2017. We got some shelves here, another elephant. What else? We have these ropes with the lamps, with the showing lamps as well. We got those black curtains. By the way, we have them here in this bedroom and also in bedroom number 3. I think they really look good with this decor. We also have this 42 inches smart TV. All the bedrooms have really good televisions. I know you guys are gonna be all around Rio, seeing this beautiful city, but come on, it's nice to get back home and watch some Netflix or YouTube, watch some of my videos. You guys can watch my videos on those smart TVs. I appreciate it. Alright guys, so let's move on to bedroom number 1, the master bedroom of this apartment. But before talking about it, I want to talk about how special all of this is to me. This apartment and this whole new business of Airbnb. This is a new chapter in my life, and it has a really big meaning to me. I mean, I put a lot of energy, a lot of money, and a lot of my time in this apartment, so I wanted it to really look the best, to be the best you guys can find. I want you guys to have a really good time here. So it's good for you and it's good for me, and I can grow my business and buy new apartments and keep this business growing. I want to document all of this journey in this YouTube channel. That's why I'm starting it right now. I'm gonna be traveling around Brazil, I'm gonna be traveling around South America. I'm gonna be showing you all of this, but of course I'm gonna be showing you the development of this business. One of the ways I found to show you guys how special this apartment is to me and what it means to me is by hanging some of my best frames all over this apartment. They have really special meanings to me. This, by the way, was taken in Doha, in Qatar, a few years ago, in a really special trip for me. And I wanted to share those moments, those special moments I had in my life with you guys who are going to stay here. Of course, it also means another business I have, which is the photography business. I've mentioned my website before. And in this channel, I want to document a little bit of my life, my travels, and the development of my 2 businesses. Of course, the Airbnb business and the photography business. I guess it's going to be really fun for me to show you guys all of these. And I hope you enjoy the journey as well and have fun with me. Okay, so let's move on to bedroom number 1. As I mentioned before, this is a king-size bed, a huge bed, a massive bed. I love this. I've been sleeping here for the last months, and it's really good, really comfortable. The sheets are also so good. I guess you guys are gonna have a really good time here in this bed, doing whatever you guys want to do. I'm not here to judge. We have this full-body mirror here. We have the view to Christ the Redeemer in every room in this apartment. Oh, we have a 58-inch television in this bedroom. Cinema screen for a bedroom. I love it. We also have this wardrobe, which is made by the same wood of the bed, of all the beds in the apartment. It's all been made by the same people in my hometown, Petrópolis, which is in the mountains near Rio. We have the ropes in each side of the bed. And in this bedroom, we have those huge lamps in both sides of the bed. You think this is a coincidence, or you think this has been planned for travelers? All I have to say is it's just a coincidence. Anyway, we have the perfect space for you to leave your luggage on the top of this wardrobe. If you have a smaller luggage, you can leave it here below this table. This is a nice table for you to study, for you to eat something, if you want to have your food here in the bedroom. Here we got this shelf with some books. Roger Federer, Ayn Rand, everybody should read her. It changes your life. Of course, the AC. And I guess that's pretty much it for this bedroom. Well, coming back to the living room, you guys can see how long this hallway is. It's like more than 10 steps to get here. I think it's maybe, I don't know, 7 or 8 meters long. It's really long hallway. I like it. It's really clean. There are no frames. There's nothing. It's just all white with those small lamps and lights below. This stronger lights up there. Sometimes I spend my afternoons here reading something and watching this beautiful view. It just calms me down. It's really relaxing. Don't you think I forgot it? I mentioned before there's something really special behind this farm door in the kitchen, so let's check it out. This was a lost part of the apartment, really ugly. This was still part of the kitchen, but there was nothing here. So we decided to transform it into a small suite, a really comfortable and cute suite. We got this double bed here, a New York frame, also a frame of mine. We got the AC, of course, plenty of lights. We got this wardrobe, a really good wardrobe, which actually was supposed to be in the kitchen, but it was just too big for the kitchen. So as it was fitting perfect right beside this bed, I decided to leave it here. Here we have this full body mirror and this door to the bathroom. This is actually where we have the only color of the house. This blue is called Bali blue, which is one of the reasons I put it here, because I love Bali. It's on my plans to move there one day. I've been there twice. It's just so good. Anyway, we have this running door to the toilet, to the bathroom of this suite, and this is the cute bathroom for this suite. Look at how beautiful this is. We have this same shower we have on the other bathroom, really good one. We have, of course, the boutique touch, and I really like how it looks. And right here we got this cobogó, which is a kind of Brazilian external architecture. It was developed and designed by some Brazilian architects in the 60s or 70s. I really like how it looks. So we have the window and then the cobogó. Well guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Hope you guys have liked my apartment, my first Airbnb apartment here in Rio. And if you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to this channel. There's going to be much more content about travel, also about this apartment and the development of my businesses. Well, that's it. See you guys on the next one. By the way, do you guys think I should keep this guitar here in the apartment? Would you guys like to play it?